Hi guys, Matt from 123myIT here, and in this video we'll show you everything you need to know about the iPhone 13 Pro. The iPhone 13 Pro has the same A15 Bionic processor as its larger brother, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Both models have the same price as last year's 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. The cameras have been updated and the battery is larger. Pricing for the iPhone 13 Pro starts at $999 USD and it comes in 4 different colours: blue, silver, gold and graphite. Storage capacity starts at 128GB and goes all the way up to 1TB, which is pretty impressive. First up in the box you have the iPhone 13 Pro itself. Next you will find the documentation, a SIM card eject tool, quick start guide, warranty information and an Apple sticker. The only other accessory is a Lightning USB cable, which does 50% charge in 30 minutes with a 20-watt adapter. Not to forget that the iPhone 13 Pro supports 15 watts wireless charging and is IP68 water and dust resistant. The iPhone 13 Pro has a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, which is the same size as the iPhone 12 Pro. However, the display now includes ProMotion technology that automatically changes the refresh rate from 10Hz to 120Hz. It has a 2532 by 1170 pixel resolution at 460 ppi and a brightness boost starting at 1000 nits, which is better than the iPhone 12 Pro. If you compare the Pro 13 with the Pro 12 on the left, you can't really see a lot of difference side by side, so an upgrade from the Pro 12 to the Pro 13 might not be worth it. However, for those who are thinking about upgrading from the iPhone 8, it would be a really big update. Apple has kept the smooth flat edge design from the 12 Pro on the 13 Pro lineup as well. This allows the iPhone to stand up on its end. I love this design, we first saw it in the iPhone SE. However, if you buy a cover, the phone might not stand on its side with the cover on, and the aluminium frame does show fingerprints. On the left side of the iPhone you have the ring silent, volume up and down buttons, and a SIM card slot. And on the right side you have the sleep wake power button. On the bottom you have the lightning connector, microphone, and one of the stereo speakers. Actually, the stereo speakers are pretty impressive. Let's take a listen.
Well, that's kind of our thing. I'm a superhero!
Where's my dad?
I want to get you out of your life.
I'm going to get you out of here alive.
Face Unlock is standard on the iPhone 13 models, and it works really well now, even picking up your face when your phone is not directly pointed at your face. Also included is ambient light, proximity, flood illuminator, infrared camera and dot projector. On the back of the 13 Pro you have a triple camera setup, which features the ultra-wide, wide and telephoto cameras. The telephoto camera has a 3x optical zoom. The ultra-wide camera has a f1.8 aperture, which allows better photos in low light. And the new wide camera has an f1.5 aperture. Therefore, out of the box, the iPhone 13 Pro will take amazing photos. Here's some comparisons between the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 8. Can you spot the difference? The iPhone 13 Pro has the A15 Bionic processor, which has an updated 5 GPU cores. A fast processor is important when playing games and videos, or when generally moving about the phone. Here's the Geekbench scores for the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro. As you can see, the iPhone 13 Pro wins with a single core score of 7509 and a multi-core score of 19477. In terms of battery life for the iPhone 13 Pro, it has a 3095 mAh battery and you can expect up to 22 hours of video playback. So what's my thoughts? Well, the phone is pretty amazing. The cameras get better all the time, so if you're looking for the best Insta-worthy shots, you can't really go wrong. The battery upgrade is a welcome upgrade as well, because you get more than 18 hours, 17 hours on the old model, so that's a really good upgrade. However, I think the price could be dropped a bit since Apple no longer includes a charger along with the iPhone. Guys, don't forget to check out my other videos such as how to record your screen on iPhone or iPad. And also do me a favour, if you know anyone who might like this video, please share it with them, hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon.